Hello, teachers and invitees. My name is Mai. Today, I'm going to share with you the consonant sounds. There are three important things in the consonant sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. They are places of articulation, manners of articulation, and types of voicing. 24 consonant sounds are remembered through the following four groups. Group 1, sẵn sàng chưa. There are 6 sounds. Group 2, phần khó thì phải tập. There are 10 sounds. Group 3, mọi người ngộ. There are 3 sounds. Group 4, học lại rồi dễ quá. There are 5 sounds. Now, I would like to introduce the triangle of reality of consonant sounds. In the angle of information, there are 8 places of articulation: bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, post-alveolar, palatal, velar, and glossal. In the angle of energy, there are 6 manners of articulation: stops, fricates, affricates, nasals, liquids, and glides. In the angle of material, there are 2 types of voicing: 9 unvoiced sounds and 15 voiced sounds. That's all. Thanks for listening.